Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Faiza with you with the new lesson of Tajweed. Inshallah, today's lesson you will learn about the signs of pause, and inshallah, I will tell you what are the signs, how to pause on it, how important they are, and if we are not doing pause, what's going to change and what happened. So, we'll do all these things today's lesson. Let's start. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي واجعل لي وزيرا من أهلي اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Then we'll talk about those letters which we need to pause. Okay, so first letter is the meme. This is the first sign, meme, where you need to pause. Okay, this shape of meme when you see in the Quran, you will pause. But other shape of meme, if you see, that doesn't mean you need to pause. Only this shape of meme when you see, that means waqful lazim, necessary pause. You have to pause. This is necessary. This shape of meme. Okay. Next sign is paw letter. This is also necessary to pause, the paw one. Okay. The third sign is these two signs, the dots. You can see in the Surah Baqarah at the very beginning, and hardly you can see these signs 3-4 times in the whole Quran. That is waqfi ma'anika. That means you have to pause on the first sign and you will join at the second dot. But we can do vice versa as well. You can join with the first dot and you can pause over the second one. We can do this one. I will show you when we'll practice with the Quran. Then the fourth sign is qala, the waqful ula. That means you have to pause. This is also we have to pause. Then there is an ayah sign. That means it is a sunnah sign. We have to pause. Then there is sakta. Sakta means you have to hold your breath for one alif equal to the alif, and you will continuously recite without losing your breath. Okay, you have to pause on this sign, the pausing sign, equal to the one alif, and when after one alif you will recite, but hold your breath, don't lose it. Okay, then these three signs, waqf nabi, waqf jibreel and waqf ghufran, that it's better to pause on it, on these three signs. Okay, that is better. So we have these signs today: the meme, paw, then waqfi ma'anika, the dots, then al-waqful ula, then the ayah sign, sakta, waqful nabi, waqf jibreel and waqf ghufran. It's very easy to remember if you understand this one, that this is meme and ta. This will repeat again and again. This the ayah sign and then this sakta. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You will see these signs again and again in the Quran. But these dots, this waqful ula and these signs, they are rarely comes in the Quran. So it's very easy. Meme, ta, waqful ula and this, the meme, ta, this ayah sign and sakta. 4 letters, 4 signs you have to memorize. You have to. It is not like that we just looking at it and okay, we'll do this one. No, you have to memorize. आपको याद रखने पड़ेंगे. Meme, paw, ayah sign and the sakta. These 4 signs, and then you can easily pause on these signs. Otherwise, these signs and these ones, they rarely come, but we have to memorize. These are the signs of pausing. Okay, so let's revise one more time. This is the meme, shape of meme. If you look at it, if an other shape of meme you see, don't pause over it. This shape of meme should be there and you have to pause. The second pausing sign is paw letter. You have to pause. Then there is a dotted sign two dots. We'll pause on the first one and we'll join with the second one, and you can do as the vice versa. Then there is Waqful Ula, it's better to pause, we should. Then there is an Ayah sign, this is the Sunnah sign, we should pause. Then there is a Sakta, you should hold your breath equal to the one alif, then you will continuously recite and hold your breath, don't lose it. Then Waqf Nabi, Waqf Jibreel and Waqf Ghufran, they are very different. The things are very different, then we also remember them. So they are very different, so you can remember that we should pause on it. And see the Waqf, 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 these words also tell us that these are the pausing signs. We should pause. The Waqf, Waqf, Waqf. Waqf means pause. So it's very easy to remember. Okay, so this is today's lesson. I hope so that you remember or memorize. You can memorize very well these letters. I'm going very slow, so you can remember them, you can memorize them, these signs, and then we will move on to the next lesson. There are the signs that you shouldn't pause. Okay, so let's finish our class. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.